Hey guys, this is Denis, the bike mechanic, and I would like to announce about a bicycle school that I would like to teach teenagers. Please note that this program is available only for teens aged from approximately 12 to 19, where I will explain kids how the bicycle works. Transmission, brakes, steering, handlebar, pros and cons of one thing over another, how to do the rear wheel, well, basically everything that you want to know. Every Sunday between 10 and 11 o'clock, I will have a small groups by 10 people. If you want, please bring in your bikes. We will talk about them. I will show you on one of the demo bikes how things works, but please don't hesitate to ask me questions, and hopefully see you on one of the Sundays. Thanks for watching. That was Denis, the bike mechanic. See you. Bye-bye.